Welcome to a new video from Agrifoto. In this video, we'll bring you two harvesters that were built specially for harvesting rootstocks from stool beds. These machines were developed and built by Dutch engineering firm Ondela in conjunction with the growers. Each winter, these rootstocks are harvested from their stool beds. The rootstocks are used in horticulture for grafting. A large saw blade is used to cut the stalks from the bed. These beds can get up to 40 years old, producing new stalks each year. There are numerous rootstocks for all kinds of trees. Two revolving belts pinch the stalks together, similar to how carrots are lifted from the ground. The tops are trimmed off, and on this machine, 2 or 3 labourers are needed to bundle the stalks and place them into a box. This job is done during the winter months, when the plants are at rest. Ondela T&I developed this brand new machine especially for this task. The trike is powered by a 165 horsepower John Deere engine, which powers Linde hydraulic pumps to power all 3 wheels. Because of its single front wheel, the machine is very manoeuvrable, which is a must on this short headland. The cab came off a Class Zeron tractor. The tanks for the hydraulic oil and diesel are mounted on top of the cab. Because the cab is positioned low down, the operator has an excellent view of the harvesting head. This is essential as the working depth needs to be meticulously controlled. All the controls are located in the armrest at the driver's right-hand side. The cab can swivel round for maximum visibility and for road transport. And the back axle can be hydraulically adjusted to keep its transport width at 3 meters. When working, the machine is 3.5 meters wide. The winter has so far been very wet in the Netherlands. This means the harvester must do its job even under arduous conditions when it's very muddy. This grower uses a tractor to bring trailers to and from the field for the rootstocks. These are placed on the headland, and the harvester simply picks them up with a pair of hydraulic forks. The full trailer is taken back to the yard where it will be further processed. Before Ondela built this blue machine, they constructed this example in 2017, together with grower Hillebrand. Its working principle is exactly the same as the other machine. This machine is fitted with homemade tracks to handle even the most extreme conditions. What is unique is that this machine uses a bundling machine to automatically bundle the rootstocks. Only one person is needed to stack them onto pallets. The machine ties some twine around each bundle of stocks, much the same way as how a baler works. The labourer can hydraulically adjust his working position. This machine uses a German-built Mauser cab. RTK GPS from Raven makes sure the machine drives in a straight line, even at very low speeds. Excess soil is shaken from the roots as they enter the machine. 2 belts squeeze them together and transport the stalks upwards. The machine is powered by a 130 horsepower Agrifoto engine and utilises the same trike layout. After a lot of rainfall, the headland was extremely wet, but because of the tracks, the machine never stops. A Fendt 313 Vario picks up the full pallets and transports them back to the farm. We hope you have enjoyed an insight into harvesting this unique crop with special machinery. Please leave a comment and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.